Dirty lens.
So I don't know if you can see this gap underneath the door. I'm thinking it might be too much of a gap, but I want to mount the second door first before I remove the screws and try to adjust it. The gap down below here, the reason I put that gap is so that because of the seasons, the wood will expand and contract, so that if it grows, that there will be plenty of room for it to grow and it won't.
Why don't you put these flappy, rubbery things?
Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. I'll put something there, either some flappy rubbery things or some plywood or something.
In my opinion, I'd say this is like a mouth angle.
Yeah.
It's like scissors opening up. It's not.
Oh, it's not level for sure. Yeah, I know, because I screwed up a little bit while I was building the door. Yeah.
It's challenging. We're never gonna always get everything right, are we?
Yeah, I mean it's not gonna be perfect, but it works for me. So that's all that matters anyway. So.
Do you learn this by watching the
YouTube? Yeah.
And I imagine it's much harder to follow doing this with YouTube than
Okay, don't let the door fall, okay? I'm just gonna let it.
Ah! What happened?
It chipped off. Look at this.
Oh,
Chipped off.
shucks.
I have to take off the other one.
So take the whole door down?
Yeah. I'm gonna put these handlebars, and I'll need my pencil. I think I want it to go right about here, or right about here actually.
something wrong?
Yeah, I have to put a... You see how these bolts come out on the other end?
Mm-hmm.
I either have to put a cover on it or put a sheet of some sort of a piece of wood right there. So there's something to move into. I'll do that later on.
What's the matter? Oh, you got it drilled into the column, didn't you?
My drill bit broke.
Oh.
That's not the issue. The issue, that is what I was trying to do. The issue is my drill bit broke.
Oh, great.